87 grams. We back in the building. You know, this video is gonna be about an oil change. I just want to take a minute and talk about my Lions. How I think we're gonna be doing great this year. You know, we always had that as a fan of the Lions, and I always been a fan of the Lions. That even though the Patriots was like my main people, I rode with Brady the whole way. Just because he came from Michigan, I rode with him the whole way and been with him the whole way. So, but I always hope the Lions pull off something. I'm not hoping this year. It's almost on the verge of knowing. I believe in Dan Campbell. If I was a football player, when I was a football player, I would love to be like him. Well, to have a coach like him. That would be beautiful. Yeah, you wanna play with somebody who giving speeches like that. And we just got a good roster, you know. I think we got some young talent. We got a couple people up and coming, but we did 6-1. We went 6-1. 1-6 last year in the beginning, and ended up with a record 9-8. That lets you know we ain't playing. We ain't playing, you know. We got some players on our team, and we ain't playing. But while we moving over here, I'm gonna take a puff. I couldn't take a puff from the camera because YouTube. They don't really be liking when you smoking in the camera because they let a little weed on there, but they don't really condone it. So why I do that? Try to see what I'm up to. So I got the little bike that I put together, dunk thing. I like to call it a 1 of 1 because, you know, I did it the way I wanted to do it. You see what I'm saying? So I got this new oil. Let's see what's wrong with it. Like, this new oil. I'll drop it down like that so we can see the new oil. I want to see how it works in my bike. And I got it from the place off Beach Daily in 8 Mile. You know, those motorsports place. What's it? And it's no means of advertising. I'm not advertising. This is just what I bought for myself. I heard about it. I don't know if it's good or not. Put something in the comments if you know about it. If you know something better, let me know. I'm trying to see what I'm doing, you know, see if it run better in my bike, you know. I'm always willing to try something new if it sound good, or not even if it sound good, like if it sound good, but yet it makes sense. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be using 17mm socket to do this oil change. Me for a second. Oh yeah, shout out to 87 grams 313 Instagram. Go give me some likes. Go see what I do. I don't even want to tell you what I do. Just go see what I do. I mean, I'm sure you see the meaning. You can understand. You see what I'm saying? So I need a couple things. Something. The Lions on to something. I think the Lakers on to something. Whew. My teams might hit it off this year. Even my teams say, yeah, I fuck with LeBron. I run with him. I don't care if people be like, oh, you're a LeBron. That's my guy. It's been my guy. And once you my guy, I don't trade on you like that. So people who trade on people seem to trade all the time. We don't really like people who just want to trade on us. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Actually, we don't need to be on this side first. I was just talking to the peoples a little too much, so we gonna get up and move over to this side. Move the big toolbox. And it's actual a screw right there. That screw right there. It's screw. I will be taking a look to do this oil change. Let's see if everything go right. And I don't have to take off this bar that I think I might. I don't know. I think an extension will work better. So I got the extension on. See what it do. But we gotta be a little careful with this extension. I don't want oil going anywhere. Let that run a little bit. Let that drain. Black boy. It's probably always gonna be black because you run these things. We run these things. We run these things. You're supposed to always keep your little cleanup rag. Wipe off the screw. Don't never put the screw back in there. When it's done draining, you want to wipe off where it's at. Keep it so it tighten up right. Remember, you ride your bike. If you don't care how you put screws back, then you don't care how you live. I did not know it was this many cruises around Michigan. Telegraph cruise, Woodward cruise. We had the Harper cruise, the Grasher cruise. It's just been a lot of cruises and a couple cruises I didn't know about. If you know about any more cruises, put it down in the comment. You know what I'm saying? I like to pull up. Camcorder show how much you can get down. We got a couple drips left. We gonna let that finish up. While we talking about, okay. Now you know we out of this preseason. See what we do. We always do something. Sometimes we do something in the preseason, don't do something. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. catch me at a couple games pulling up on the bike. You'll see, get some footage of that too. Show the people what we do, how we have fun, how we about to be mad. It's almost over. It's almost over. Maybe 87 gotta move to another city or something, so we can pull it off there too. We gotta get there first. See how we do. Man, we got a couple. We got a couple trippies. Now we gotta go over on the other side and pull the other side off. I'm gonna just go show you. Let them little drippy stop. But right there is a little screw. I think something been leaking right there. Maybe something. I don't know. I think I ran through something or easy. Didn't tighten it up. I'm always doing oil changes because you should with these bikes. Maybe didn't tighten it up. We're gonna watch for that this time. Wipe it all down, get it all down. I had sprayed this pipe black, and I made a mistake and sprayed something on there so it look a little darker than what it's supposed to be. But oh well. If you don't work on your own bike, I don't know. And if you don't make no mistakes, I don't know. Everybody makes mistakes. So what you do when you make a mistake, how you come through better.